everybody, just Amy here from Consortium Private Wealth. Just doing my morning walk with Scout at the moment. It's a bit of a joke this morning because we woke up a bit later than we should have. That's right. So today I'm just going to do a quick video of my day. Stick around. Made it home and you woke up Cody. While I'm at the desk and Ash and Olivia are out. So this is my desk where I sit all day. Olivia's just beside me to the right and then Ash is behind me normally. Just thought I'd kind of explain my role a little bit at Consortium Private Wealth. I am currently doing my professional year, so at the end of this year I'll have met all the requirements to be a financial advisor. But until then I currently am mainly paraplanning for Ash, so drafting his statement of advice documents. I sit in on a lot of his appointments and I also sit in on appointments with Ash and Rob. I might have sat in one with you. So I pretty much, they're just really great for my learning, meeting with clients. I will do a lot of the compliance meetings for Ash, so that's gathering all client data to help with the SOA. Once Ash has presented the statement of advice, I will do the implementation. So if we're setting up new supers, doing any rollovers, I do all of that and we'll meet with you guys to do all the signing up on that. I water our houseplant boats. This is a beautiful fernie that we brought in. Every week I take 3 hours out of my week just to do study. So as part of the professional year, I have to do 100 hours of study and 1,500 hours of client work. So obviously that's easy to get done. Otherwise that's about it. It is almost my lunchtime, so we'll go home. It's probably worth noting that I also do all of the direct share purchases themselves for clients that don't have self-managed super funds or separately managed accounts with us. So if somebody would come to us and have $10,000 and say, I don't know where to put this, can I please have some investment recommendations and help with setting up the account and making the trades? The advisors would give the investment recommendations and then I would be the person in contact with you to set the account up and make the trades, which is awesome because I'm in the share market and I like researching businesses all the time. So yeah, really good to see and help people get their foot in the door with investing for the first time, and it's always really exciting. So that's another part of my job I really love. My home or my personal life, I suppose. My partner and I are really big on renovations and DIY, so we're actually standing in our new kitchen. We bought this house about a year ago. We had a black kitchen in here, it just really wasn't our style. So we gutted the whole thing and then put this one in. We just splashed back off a couple of weeks ago. All we've got left to do is silicone the top and the bottom, silicone the skirts in here, and then that's the kitchen, living, dining all done. It's a bit exciting for us. Thanks everyone for following along. I'm going to wrap the video up here and just have some tea. Bye!